Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, where we dive deep into the world of automobiles, from the latest models to the most insane custom builds out there. Today, we've got something truly mind-blowing to share with you, a vehicle that's the perfect blend of raw power, luxurious design, and complete freedom. We're talking about the 2025 insane Chopper Motorhome. This isn't just any motorhome, this is a game changer that redefines what it means to travel in style and comfort. When we think of motorhomes, we usually picture something that's a bit bulky, a little slow, and often not the most exciting to drive. But the 2025 insane Chopper Motorhome completely obliterates that stereotype. This beast is not only a fully functional mobile home but also a high-performance chopper that blends the best of both worlds. Let's break it down, shall we? First off, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 insane Chopper Motorhome is a true work of art. It's built with a unique chopper-inspired look that gives off an aura of power and elegance. The body is sleek, with custom fabricated panels that flow beautifully from the front to the back. It almost looks like a futuristic motorcycle, but then it extends into a full-fledged motorhome, with a spacious living area. The front end has a custom-made chopper-style headlight, which makes it stand out even when you're parked by the side of the road. The paint job is absolutely stunning, with metallic finishes that shimmer in the sunlight and reflective strips that add to its bold, in-your-face appearance. Now, you may be wondering, how does it drive? Let's just say, this isn't your average motorhome. Under the hood, the 2025 insane Chopper Motorhome packs a monstrous V8 engine that delivers more than enough power to cruise at high speeds without even breaking a sweat. It's a combination of raw horsepower and cutting-edge engineering, which means you get the best of both worlds, an incredible driving experience, and the ability to tow and transport whatever you need on your adventures. Whether you're hitting the highway or tackling off-road terrain, this motorhome handles it with grace and power. The suspension is also finely tuned to absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, giving you a smooth ride no matter where you're heading. Moving inside, the 2025 insane Chopper Motorhome is just as impressive. When you step through the door, you're immediately greeted with a spacious and luxurious interior that's designed to make you feel at home no matter where you are. The layout is open and airy, with large windows that let in tons of natural light and offer panoramic views of your surroundings. The living area is equipped with a full-size couch, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and plenty of storage space for your belongings. Everything is crafted with high-quality materials, from the leather upholstery to the sleek wooden finishes. There's a dining area with a fully functional table that can seat 4 people comfortably, perfect for enjoying meals with family or friends while on the road. For those who love cooking, the kitchen is a dream come true. It comes with a full-size refrigerator, a stovetop, an oven, and even a microwave, everything you need to prepare gourmet meals while traveling. The countertops are made from durable stone, and the cabinets have plenty of space for all your cooking utensils and ingredients. Of course, you also have all the modern appliances you'd expect, like a coffee maker, a toaster, and a dishwasher. So whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a multi-course meal, you've got all the tools you need to do it with ease. Moving into the bedroom, the 2025 insane Chopper Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It features a king-size bed with plush bedding and pillows, so you can sleep comfortably no matter where you are. The room also has plenty of storage, including cabinets and drawers for your clothes and personal items. If you like to unwind with a good book or watch a movie before bed, there's a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, and the room is designed for ultimate privacy, so you can relax and unwind in peace. The bathroom in this motorhome is more luxurious than you'd expect for a vehicle. It features a full-size shower with a rain shower head, a toilet, and a sink with ample counter space. There's even a built-in vanity mirror with LED lighting, so you can make sure you look your best before you hit the road again. The entire bathroom is finished with high-end materials, giving it a spa-like feel that makes you feel right at home. But let's not forget about the tech features that come with the 2025 insane Chopper Motorhome. This vehicle is packed with smart technology that takes the driving experience to a whole new level. The dashboard is a digital touchscreen interface that controls everything from navigation to climate control. It also includes a state-of-the-art sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio, whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or listening to a podcast while cruising down the highway. There's also a built-in Wi-Fi system, so you can stay connected no matter where you are. And for safety, the motorhome is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automated braking, ensuring that you and your passengers are always safe while on the road. The 2025 Insane Chopper Motorhome isn't just about looks and luxury, it's also about sustainability. This vehicle is equipped with a hybrid engine that allows you to reduce your carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. It runs on a combination of gasoline and electricity, meaning you can switch between the two depending on your needs. The battery can be charged via solar panels installed on the roof, making it an eco-friendly choice for long road trips. Plus, the motorhome is built with lightweight materials that make it more fuel efficient, allowing you to travel farther on a single tank. So, is the 2025 Insane Chopper Motorhome worth it? Absolutely. If you're someone who loves adventure but doesn't want to sacrifice comfort, this is the ultimate vehicle for you. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, a weekend getaway, or just want to live the van life in style, this motorhome has everything you need and more. It's a stunning blend of performance, luxury, and sustainability, making it a must-have for any automotive enthusiast. That's it for today's review. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Car Reviewpedia for more reviews on the coolest cars, trucks, and motorhomes out there. And let us know in the comments, would you take the 2025 Insane Chopper Motorhome for a spin? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep on driving and stay adventurous.